They told you the soft landing was coming. They told you the Fed had everything under control. They lied. While everyone was distracted by the sideways chop in Bitcoin, the Fed just quietly pulled the rug on the entire banking system. We aren't just looking at a dip anymore. We are looking at the setup for the banking crisis 2.0. Today, we're going to dive into why the US debt is becoming a toxic asset and exactly why this $66,000 battle for Bitcoin means for your portfolio. If you've been here for a while, then you know this is where the real money is made, by staying ahead of the macro. The Fed has held rates steady at 3.75%. On the surface, the market expected that. But the real story isn't the rate itself, it's the revised inflation forecast. For the first time, they are essentially admitting that inflation isn't going back to 2% anymore. They are trapped. It's a mathematical corner. If they cut rates now, inflation hyper accelerates and destroys the dollar. If they hold them here where they're at, the massive debt bubble we've been inflating for a decade finally pops. If we look at the yields, demand for US debt is vanishing. When the world stops wanting to buy the debt of the global reserve currency, yield spikes and the macro rug pull begins. We are seeing the end game of higher for longer. Keep your eyes on the headlines coming out of Bank of America and the regional sectors. Liquidity is being sucked out of the system at a record pace. This is the rug mechanism in real time. We are seeing a one-to-one repeat of what happened in March 2023. But here's the catch. This time, the Fed has almost no room left to maneuver without completely nuking the value of the dollar. Now let's talk about price action. Bitcoin is currently locked in a brutal battle for the $66,000 support level. The bull case, if we hold this level, this is nothing more than a classic shakeout. The big players are flushing out the paper hands and late longs before we start the next leg up to new all-time highs. The bearish case scenario, if 66,000 snaps on high volume, get ready. We're likely looking at a liquidity hunt toward the low 60s or even high 50s to clear out the remaining leverage. Remember the big picture, Bitcoin was built for this exact moment of banking instability. In 2023, when the banks started failing, Bitcoin didn't crash. It went on a massive tear. The legacy system is the risk. Bitcoin is the hedge. Now, don't get shaken out. The macro environment is messy, and the volatility is going to be soul-crushing for some. The signal is clear. The legacy financial system is breaking and has been for a long time. Bitcoin remains the only viable exit ramp. And that is why they are buying and buying and buying while pushing fear, fear, fear. Don't let the headlines scare you out of your position. If you're riding this wave and riding this storm with me, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking to trade the volatility, as always, trade, hodl at your own risk. But you can check the links in the description for some exclusive trading bonuses with my partners. And I only partner with some of the best exchanges out there right now. Stay patient, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.